If you set the temperature to 200 degrees Celsius and it shows 10 degrees or 20 degrees, it means the heat detector is broken. Now you have to change the heat detector. This is our new heat detector. Here we show the process of replacing the new heat detector to the old one. To replace the heat detector, unscrew the 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And the last screw is hiding under the logo. Open the cover. Here is the detector and here is the fuse. Unscrew the detector to replace the old one. Take out the old one and replace with the new. The detector is attached with the glue, so don't worry, just take off it. Cut the wire with the special scissor, and the rest of the procedure is how you can see in the demo. Our technician helps us to change the heat detector. Here is how you can replace the new one. Now screw it back using a screwdriver. Cut the wire using a special scissor. You can see our technician. You can follow the same procedure. To fix the wire, use the special instrument and use the electric tape. You can follow the procedure same as in the demo by the technician. Use the special glue to stick the detector again to its original position.
Okay.
After this process, you can cover it back and screw the screwdrivers again. The first one under the logo. and the 4 screws back to their original position using a screwdriver. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fix the logo back to its original position using the glue. It's done.